Welcome to our training video on downloading an item into an Excel file and uploading items from Excel. The publishing system has a function that makes it possible to download item data for one or more items into an Excel file. After signing in, first open your item list via the main menu Items. Select the items you want to export to an Excel file. Use the search function on the left-hand side and copy the GTINs you want into the text search field. Start the search. Now check the boxes in front of the lines with the option Select all lines on all pages. Select the menu button Download in the toolbar. Select Excel Download. In the window that opens, you will see a list of latest Excel downloads. In addition to the file name and the number of exported items, the time of the export and the name of the user who made the change are also displayed here. The status column shows whether the export was successful. The last downloaded information is always at the top of the list. If the maximum number of list entries is reached, the oldest entry is removed. At the top right, you can decide whether items with components, with linked digital assets, or all data on one page should be exported. Use the option Start Download to start the export in the desired form. Depending on the quantity of selected items, downloading the list may take some time. When the process is complete, the information is displayed at the top of the list. By clicking on the item name, the Excel list with its selected items opens. To exit the Excel import, close the window. An empty Excel template for downloading is not offered. A template can be created by downloading an existing item and adapting the GTIN/GLN accordingly. Please use only the original Excel file to upload items. Using another file will cause the import process to be cancelled. To import an Excel file into the system, use the Excel import feature on the right of the item hit list. Click the Excel Upload button in the hit list toolbar. A dialog box will open. Here you can select the prepared Excel file. To do this, click Select. Select whether the uploaded items should be automatically released after import. To do this, select the corresponding checkbox. Click Start Upload. Before the items are imported into the system performs a preliminary check to ensure that the Excel file is in the correct format. The system automatically detects whether digital asset data is contained and processes it correctly. If you encounter pre-check error messages, correct your sheet by following the messages and then uploading again. A report is created after the import. To access the upload report, please click on the link in the report column and you can open or save the report directly. The upper part of the report lists general information about the import, such as who triggered it or the file name. In the middle part you will find information about the imported items, whether they have only been saved or also released. The exact number of items contained in the file is displayed here, as well as the number of items that were updated during the upload and the number of items where errors or warnings occurred. In the lower part of the report you will find more detailed information about possible errors and/or warnings, and information about whether the item was saved in the system. The type column contains information about whether it is an error or a warning. Please refer to the error messages when correcting your data. Thanks for watching. You might also be interested in our other training videos.